Okay, so question 1 from section B was coming from the topic of the human body. The question is as follows. The following diagrams show stage 2 and stage 3 of labor and birth in a female human. Stage 1 is not shown, so there is no stage 1 in this question. They have just shown stage 2. So the question 1A is identify the parts labeled U in stage 2. So the part labeled U in stage 2 is uterus. Okay, that is uterus. Question 2 is identify the parts labeled S in stage 3. So the part labeled S in stage 3 is umbilical cord. That is umbilical cord. Okay, we go to question B, 1B, which is describe what happened to the cervix in stage 1 to enable birth to take place. So what happened to the cervix? It opened by widening or relaxing. So the cervix during this gestation period, it has been tight, it has been holding closely to prevent miscarriage or giving birth to the baby before due time. So now what has happened, it has relaxed because the time is up, so it has relaxed and it has opened. That's why the child has been born. Okay, we go to question number 1C, which is explain the laws which were played by the parts labeled T and V when the fetus was growing. Okay, so let's start with T. Where is T? It's there. So the placenta. So the placenta was the exchange place of nutrients and waste. So this was the exchange place of nutrients and waste. The exchange was happening between the mother and the fetus. So the nutrients from the mother will go to the child through the placenta to the umbilical cord until it reaches the child. So when the waste comes from the child, will come to the placenta, where the waste will enter the mother and then be maybe excreted from the mother's body. Okay, so the placenta was the exchange place. So that's where the exchange of waste and nutrients were happening. V, what was the function of V when the child was growing up? So V, that is amniotic fluid. So what was happening, or the function of amniotic fluid when the child was growing up was the amniotic fluid was acting as a shock absorber. It was absorbing shocks, so mechanical shocks from maybe the bump or the falling of the mother were being absorbed. Those mechanical shocks were being absorbed by amniotic fluid. So the amniotic fluid was protecting the child from amniotic fluid was protecting the child from the mechanical shocks. Okay, so that is the correct answer for C. We go to D. So what is D? D, we are saying, how long does it take for birth to occur once fertilization has taken place? So the pregnancy of human being takes about 9 months or 36 or 38 weeks, and the days is 270 days. 270 days. So that is how long it took for the child to be born. It's about 9 months or 36 or 38 weeks or 270 days. So it should be 9 months. Okay.